of you. Boy, you remind me of my Gucci shoe. Hey divas, you know what? I'm always turned when I get new eyeshadow palettes, and y'all, when I tell y'all Miss Ghost Cosmetics is my favorite right now. I truly, when I tell you I truly love their eyeshadows. Like, eyeshadow is my favorite, and eyeshadow is very expensive. And the palettes sometimes are ridiculous, and then you get the palette and it may not be as pigmented as you want it to be. So when I found Miss Ghost and I saw how pigmented their first palette was that I got from them, the purple palette, I had to get more. So I not only got one set of palettes, I got two sets of palettes. Not one, but two sets of palettes. Okay, so let me see. I don't have both of them in front of me right now. Two of them, then a nude one. So I will do a separate review for those. But what I got in the mail today is my green palette. Just came in the mail today, still sealed. As you can see, their palettes come completely sealed in plastic. So it's not bumping up against anything, and you're not losing any powder. It's not breaking up all of everywhere in the packaging and stuff. Amazon packs it very well. Came in this nice padded packing, along with bubble wrap inside of another padded envelope. So it's packaged very well. I love shopping with Amazon because with Prime I get it in 2 days. Not only that, they pack things very well. So I'm opening up the green palette now. This one from Miss Ghost Cosmetics. It says Charming Moist Eyeshadow Palette. These have some really pretty colors in it. This is supposed to be shimmers, and I think it was it shimmers and mattes. So this is shimmers and mattes. Those are the colors. This is the green palette, y'all, from Miss Ghost Cosmetics. Oh my god, y'all, I cannot tell you how much I love it. When I put the eyeshadow on, it's so silky and smooth. And not only that, like, you can just barely touch it, and the color is so rich and beautiful. I'm gonna do a couple swatches, not a lot here. This is the palette. It comes with a very pretty mirror, but the glare from my my photo light is pretty bright. But I want y'all to see that. Y'all see the shimmers in that? Y'all see that gold? That gold is calling my name, and it's not even really a gold. It's like a, maybe like a dark brown. Oh no, check that out, y'all. Do y'all see that? Let's swatch this on my ashy hand. Y'all see that? That is what I'm talking about. Miss Ghost Cosmetics. Okay, we're gonna try this orange, and this is a matte color. You can see that is a shimmer. This is a matte. You see that? I'm gonna show you how lightly I brush my hand on here. Do you see this? You see that? Do you see that? $13. Like, their palettes, I think, like, the lowest I've seen them is maybe, oh, don't hold me to this, y'all, but I think I paid the lowest was like $6, something like that. $13.99, $12.99, $16.99. And these palettes are so rich in color and pigment. I have to just, like, I have to do something. Like, this blue, the blues are really getting me this year. Do y'all see that? And that's with my finger without a brush. I don't have, oh yes I do. This is the last brush that I got with my last palette from Miss Ghost. This came with the purple palette. So what I'm gonna do is, I have to try this on. I tried the blue on one eye, and that is without a brush, okay? And then this side here, as you can see, I barely touched it. Look at the pigment. And this is with a brush. Now, I'm not doing a full beat today. I just wanted y'all to see how pigmented these palettes are from Miss Ghost Cosmetics. Do you see that? And that was with the brush. One application with the brush. So there's not much more that I can honestly say other than you have got to try this palette. But not just this one, all of the palettes from Miss Ghost Cosmetics. A lot of people have been inboxing me and messaging me on my Instagram and on my like page on Facebook, asking me, is this the Juvia's palette? Is this Ace Beauty? And I'm like, no, baby. Miss Ghost Cosmetics, okay? Check the name, Miss Ghost Cosmetics. Look for that beautiful elephant with the lady on it, the dainty looking lady. Love elephants. Elephants mean good luck in, I think it was Chinese. Don't hold me to that either. An Asian friend of mine, I will not put a race on it. An Asian friend of mine told me that they believe that elephants were good luck in their culture. And I also believe the same thing. I have a lot of elephants around my house. But I always talk a lot of extra, y'all. Y'all know me. But anyway, make sure y'all look for that elephant and the dainty lady on top. And Miss Ghost Cosmetics. These are the palettes y'all want to get, okay? I think the palette also, I slid it back in the box and I'm trying to open it. See, it comes in this cute little slip sleeve. All of them come in these cute little slip sleeves. Let's see. I had some packing I wanted to show y'all, but at the moment it doesn't look like I can find it. But when I do the review for the nude palettes that I got from Miss Ghost, I will show y'all the packing for it. But they all come in these cute little sleeves where it protects the palette not only during shipping, but while you are working with your palettes. Because me, I'm clumsy. I will drop my palettes. They will crack. They will just crumble everywhere, and I just be sitting here crying like a 2-year-old. So it's good for me to have these type of things. Also, the mirrors usually come with a film over top, which it does have. I don't want that glare to kill y'all, kill your eyes, you know. So, but you can see the little wrapping, the little plastic here over that. It comes like that, not only to protect your palette, but to protect your mirror in case so happen, God forbid, your palette gets crushed in shipping and your colors survive. Your mirror does not crack and crumble all into your eyeshadow, because you definitely don't want to get glass and everything else, plastic and all that stuff in you don't want that. All right, y'all. So remember to check out the description below. It has the link to this green. I'm having trouble putting this back in the package. The green Miss Ghost palette, and it has shimmers and mattes in here. Again, y'all, it's not a lot more I could say about Miss Ghost. I've done, I think this is a third order I've gotten from Miss Ghost, and I still have one more review to do for y'all. But like I said, it goes on really silky, really smooth. It's really easy to blend. The brushes, it goes on easy with the brush on this side, and you can see the pigment with your finger here. One application on each. You can see that. Very, very vibrant colors. So go ahead and click that link to Amazon below. Get you this green Miss Ghost palette. Get the purple palette. Get the nude palettes. Get all of those Miss Ghost Cosmetics palettes, y'all. You are missing out if you have not tried Miss Ghost Cosmetics. I do want to say, y'all, I have not been paid to do this. I am a buyer of Miss Ghost Cosmetics. Their cosmetics are beautiful. I am an MUA and a beauty influencer, and I try to bring y'all my honest opinions on the products that I review. I don't make you go out and buy anything, you know, but I would love y'all to try this and let me know what y'all think in the comments. So, you know, if you please, go out, check this green palette out. Get the purple palette, get the nude palette, and show me what you came up with in the comments below. Let me know what y'all think about it. Share this video with your friends and your family. you know, they might check me out, like some of my stuff. They might even like Miss Coast Cosmetics. So y'all go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go here and get ready to get my dinner on my plate. My tummy is growling. So y'all have a good rest of your evening. This is Diamond. Remember, subscribe. Peace.